at the beach in Boracay. It's a sunny day. It's the weekend. It's like a Saturday, I think. Saturday? Yeah, Saturday. And we're by the 7-Eleven here in Boracay. And there's lots of people. They're coming off the boats. They're coming off the island hopping. They gotta like jump in the water to like get on the boat. So you better take your shoes off. Take your shoes off. These people don't speak English, so it's okay. I can say whatever I want. Nobody can hear me. But here's these people. They're getting on the boat, and they're like clogging through the water. Hello. 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 So we're in a beautiful day here, Saturday in Boracay. The water is really beautiful. The beach is nice. There's scuba divers over here getting out. Ah, I got wet. I'm wearing my shoes. And there's lots of people here on the beach. Looks like the water sports is gonna move over to the front beach, so all the people are coming over here. There's some starfish on the beach, right? Starfish? Starfish? Oh, they're beautiful. Oh, gorgeous. Oh. Oh. Beautiful. So the guys here taking the boat out. We have the scuba divers here. Hello. Thank you. Welcome to Boracay. Woo! I want to, and there's some scuba dive tanks, right? Are those aluminum or are they metal? Aluminum? Oh, we got the scuba divers coming off. Is the scuba dive coming here this time now? The scuba dive here in the front beach now? Nice. Very nice. The water's beautiful. What's your name?
Mardon.
Mardon?
Yeah.
Hi Mardon. You're a scuba dive instructor?
No.
You're a helper.
Yeah.
You take the tanks off, on and off. Oh, very good. Oh, we're here on the beach